da 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 di da da la.
YouTube, it's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. I'm super turned because I'm finally going to be giving you guys my review of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in blue tints. If you guys haven't seen the video, I did do an unboxing of me picking these up with also another pickup that I made that I thought was pretty lucky. So if you guys haven't checked out that video, I will be leaving a card right up above for you guys to check it out. But before we get started with this review, I just wanted to go ahead and tell you guys Happy New Year, Happy 2018. I hope you guys had a turn little New Year's Eve thing, and I hope you guys are excited for what 2018 is going to be bringing. If you guys didn't know, Tony and I do have a channel together. It's called Tony and Nikki. If you guys aren't already subscribed to that channel, be sure to subscribe because we have more videos to come on that channel. Our goal for 2018 is to grind on that channel and see where that takes us. And in addition, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram at iNikkiGomez. And of course, if you guys aren't already following me on SelfieShare, be sure to do that because I am following everyone back who follows me on SelfieShare. If you're unaware of what SelfieShare is, it's an app. It allows you to win up to $1,000 monthly for having the most liked photo or video. So definitely go ahead and check that out. I will be leaving my referral code down below if you guys are interested. And what the referral code does, it gives you 25 free likes on your first picture or photo. So that kind of gives you a head start on winning that $1,000. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this review. So as you remember, I did pick up the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in a size 4. In my unboxing video, I kind of gave you guys my first thoughts on the sneaker, and honestly, I wasn't that impressed with the overall shoe. Thought it looked better in photos as opposed to in person, and I have been indecisive if I was going to keep these or not. But I'm just going to go ahead and give you a closer look at the 350 V2. So in the upper, of course, we have that prime knit material. So the prime knit actually has shades of gray and baby blue. The stripe on the upper is also baby blue. I would say it's a little bit of a lighter baby blue. And then the Supply 350 is actually in an orange red colorway. If you look towards the back, of course, it has that scoop or the swoop on the back, and with the pull tab, it actually does also carry that same orange red accent color right here as well. If we look at the tie strings, the tie strings to me personally look a little bit darker compared to the rest of the shoe. It has more of a baby blue tone, but it kind of looks more like of a seafoam green tone. The trim, it definitely has that seafoam green going on right here on the trim. At the bottom of the sneaker, we have that baby blue going as well, and then it has the Adidas Yeezy in orange. As we move down to the midsole, we have that translucent gum bottom. This colorway is not really white. It does, like it says, have like a blue tint. And then if you look at the bottom, so you still have that translucent gum bottom, and then you also have the Boost. I don't think I'm gonna sell them. I'm not super crazy about them. I don't think this is gonna be a sneaker that I pop out often. It'll definitely have to be like a rare occasion. I know a lot of people was confused about if the blue tints look similar to ZEBRAS or not. I do have Tony's ZEBRAS right here. His are a little bit, you know, worn out, but honestly, like, there is a huge difference, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a close-up of the difference. The ZEBRAS, they're black and white. The actual font, the Supply 350 font, is red on the ZEBRAS. On the actual blue tints, they are orange red. So it's more of an orange tint on the blue tint. The ZEBRAS translucent bottom, gum bottom, is actually more yellowy. It has like this yellow tint towards it compared to the blue tints. The blue tints have more of a blue tint, of course, but at the bottom, they do have like a similar yellowy color from far away. You know, these look a little bit lighter than these. These are a little bit more bolder on the feet. You can definitely see a huge difference in colorway when you get closer to the shoe. From a distance, they could kind of, maybe not really, but once you get super close to these babies, you can definitely see that there is a difference between these two sneakers. Since I am keeping these, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys an on-foot review of what these look like on my feet and how I would style these. So go ahead, stay tuned, and let's get it popping.
Yeah, listen. Yeah, my vision for this is as far as I see. Dreams are the only things that I believe. It brought me this far, shit, that's all that I need. I'll be at the top and leave you underneath. I don't really give a fuck if you're trying to give me shit, you mean nothing. Ain't nobody I could really put my trust in. Nowadays everybody stay bluffing, that's why I'm fuck with. No one around me, they doing me dirt. I keep to myself, I be putting in work. Focused on me and it's seeming to work. I keep moving up like I'm leaving the earth. Set the bar high with one song and pass it with the next. I don't really get how the fuck I do it. Honestly, I'm feeling blessed. Never take it for granted, so I don't really flex. Even though I could if I wanted, cause I got what people wanted. Just ain't in me to be flaunting the things I've earned, but I'm on it. To put my town on the map, cause here a lot of dudes rap, but ain't nobody has ever been on this level I'm at. Shout out South Brunswick, you know where I'm at. Some dudes bugging when they know that I'm back. When I'm driving in my town, I don't go that fast. I'm just trying to roll a piece like I'm Kodak Black. Graduated high school last year, I'm a rapper now. Said fuck school, homie, I don't need a cap and gown. Teachers who yelled at me last year, even clapping proud rap games and motherfucking shit. I'm the captain now. No feelings, but these rappers like screwdrivers, turning into me, begging me for a few lines. It's fucking stupid, pathetic. I always knew I would make it out with this rap shit, cause I knew I'm just too nasty with it.
Alright you guys, so there you have it. You just got to see my review of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2's blue tints. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely interested in hearing you guys' thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know, do you prefer the zebras over the blue tints, or would you just pass on both? I'm definitely interested in your comments down below. Let me know if you think these look good on feet or not. And also, I've been thinking about doing this video or not. This one's mainly for the ladies, or a question for the ladies. Would you guys like to see me do a review of what Yeezys look like on women's feet compared to men's? I think that's something definitely interesting to compare, because I know Tony has a lot of pairs. He has pretty much all the same pairs that I do. I'm definitely interested in doing a compare and contrast video about Yeezys on women, and if it looks better on women or men. So let me know in the comment section below if that is something you guys would be interested in watching, because I'm definitely thinking about doing that, because I think it's educational and I think it's needed. Women need to know. Maybe I don't think men need to know. They know what it looks like on feet, but from all my ladies, that video will definitely be for you guys. But yeah, you guys, thanks again for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. And again, this is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace. This is the updated studio thus far. So y'all remember I got these lac shelves from the IKEA store.